what are the advantages and disadvantages of using coffee grounds in a flower bed? And this is Chip from Hartford, Kentucky. Dr. Kelly.
Yeah.
Let's start with you first on this one.
I'm a big coffee drinker. Yeah.
Disadvantages.
Okay, I would say a pro would be, it does have some minute nutritional value, like 1 to 2% nitrogen, which is pretty minimal, but it's better than no percent.
That's correct.
So,
Right.
so you get a little nutritive value, and they say, now I don't know if this is actually real true or not, but if you fairly get a good layer of it, you can repel slugs and snails.
I've heard that. Okay.
You know, that
My wife swears that.
Okay.
She swears
Well,
that.
there you go.
Right.
We have a
I've heard that.
testimonial here. We
Okay.
believe that now. So, the thing, and when you dig it in, you know, to the soil, it improves soil structure.
Okay.
You know,
That's
because
what I
it is
know.
an
Okay.
organic matter, so it's going to improve soil structure.
All right.
Now, the cons are, I guess, because there's more than one, that excessive use of it, let's say you're trying to germinate some seed and you use coffee grounds to cover the seed, it can inhibit or hinder germination in some species, they say. So anyway, that's something to think about. So, and also, and I've done this.
Okay.
I have done this. Being the lazy gardener that I am, I just dump all this stuff out around my, and you get a pile of it and then mold. It starts molding.
Oh, okay.
So don't put it too thickly, you know, because number one, when it dries out, it's going to impede, you know, percolation of the water through. But then it also, if it stays damp, it's going to start, those coffee grounds are going to start molding. And I think it's a old wives' tale that it can affect the pH, because they say that, I mean, maybe if you took the coffee beans and just threw them out there, the pH it's leached out into the coffee, so you're drinking the pH. The coffee grounds is more, the pH of actual coffee grounds is more like 6.8, which is neutral.
That's neutral.
Yeah,
Right.
it's neutral. So I know some people say that it does affect, but it would be very short term and very minute if it did. But
Okay. Wow.
that's why it gives you heartburn when you drink coffee.
Oh, wait, you call me? Okay.
Get that acidic burn, right?
How about that? So there are some pros and cons. I mean, any other that you might know of, Mr. D?
No, I think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages.
Yeah,
by much.
I think-
That's what it sounds like.
I think the best way to use coffee grounds is a soil amendment.
Okay.
You know, throw it in your compost, work it in,
work it in,
or work it in your soil.
Okay.
You know, and that's a good way to use it.
Okay.
You
Soil
know, unless you got
structure,
snails and slugs.
Yeah, unless you got that.
Yeah.
Okay.